to have the summary statistics. This is the descriptive stats. Okay, so just click this. And if you wanted to see the confidence level and the largest and the smallest, you can also click this. But for this presentation, since I am going to just explain to you how to find the descriptive stat, the summary statistics will do. Okay, so just click OK here. And upon clicking OK, as you can see here, my friends, we have here mean 52.11, standard error 1.67, median of 53, which is the same with our manual computations, and we don't have any mode. So as you can see, we don't have any mode, but we have here the maximum number, which is 59. Where is it? So this is actually 59. 59 is still not our mode because 59 is not a repeating number. Again, when we say mode, this is the number in our dataset that is repeated twice or thrice or more. So meaning to say we don't have any mode in this dataset. That's why the output is 10. Hello everyone, good day, and how are you doing? So I hope you are all doing well and fine. Okay, for this video, we will going to discuss all about the applications of all the descriptive statistics that we have already discussed based on our previous video presentation application in Microsoft Excel. So you can now open your Microsoft Excel and pwede nyo akong sabayan while I am doing this. Okay, so I have here a data regarding the employee's age. I hope you are familiar with this already because we used this several times in our manual computations for descriptive statistics. Okay, so employee's age, we have here 53, 45, 59, 48, 54, 46, 51, 58, and 55. So what we will going to do is we will going to find out the descriptive statistics of this data. When we say descriptive statistics, this is actually the measures of central tendency and measures of dispersion and location. Now, what we will going to do is just to highlight this from cell B1 going to cell B10 and make sure guys that your data analysis tool pack under this data tab is already activated. These three analysis tools, data analysis, and solver. If not yet, you can actually activate it in your properties tab of your Microsoft Excel. Here, okay. So just activate it in the properties, and after highlighting this, click data analysis. Okay, so as you can see here, we have different analysis tools, analysis for statistics, our topics in statistics. We have here the ANOVA, single factor, two factor with replication and without, correlation, covariance, descriptive stats, which we will going to use right now, exponential smoothing, F-test for your analysis, histogram, moving average, random number generation, rank and percentile regression, up to the different t-test and z-test. Now, what we will going to do, just like what I have said before, is the descriptive statistics. So, click this and OK. Now, we have here the window prompting us to input a range. So, what is our input range? So, basically, our input range is this one, the one that is highlighted from cell B1 to cell B10. Okay, so just highlight it and group by columns. So this must be clicked, this must be on. Since we have our label, which is employee's age, on the very first row of our input range, so we must click this. If this is not a label, if this is actually the first number in our data set, you don't need to click this, guys. But since we have this label, we should click this. Okay, then the output range. For the output range, let's click this, and for the output range, this is where we want our output to be placed in our whole worksheet. So on this example, let's just click this. cell D1. So meaning to say, the output of the descriptive statistics will be placed starting on this cell. Okay, and I don't need to have new worksheet. Same with new workbook. We need to have the summary statistics. This is the descriptive stats. Okay, so just click this. And if you wanted to see the confidence level and the largest and the smallest, you can also click this. But for this presentation, since I am going to just explain to you how to find the descriptive stat, the summary statistics will do. Okay, so just click OK here. And so upon clicking OK, as you can see here, my friends, we have here mean 52.11, standard error 1.67, median of 53, which is the same with our manual computations, and we don't have any mode. So as you can see, we don't have any mode, but we have here the maximum number, which is 59. Where is it? So this is actually 59. 59 is still not our mode because 59 is not a repeating number. Again, when we say mode, this is the number in our dataset that is repeated twice or thrice or more. So meaning to say we don't have any mode in this dataset. That's why the output is NA. Okay, I hope you get it, my dear students. Okay, so for standard deviation, we have 5.011, sample variance 25.1. Based on what we have studied on the manual computation of the descriptive statistics, standard deviation is just the square root of variance. Okay, so let's try this. 5 times 5.01 again. So cell E7 times cell E7. So basically, the answer should be same with variance. So we just check. Okay, so let's delete this. Kurtosis, we have negative 1.26. Skewness, negative 0.12. So I hope you already tackled this in your stats 1. Range, we have a range of 14. Minimum and maximum of 45 and 59. 14 is actually 59 minus 45. Okay, that's why we have this 14 as our range. And the sum of all of these numbers is 469 based on our result. Let's check. 469. Okay, I hope you see this. 469 sum. And the count. So they are actually 9. Count 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so that's how easy it is to show the descriptive statistics of your dataset in Microsoft Excel. So I hope you learned something from this discussion, and I'm hoping that you will use this also in your research projects. Okay, so if you learn from this video, don't forget the learnings, and always stay safe, my friends, and see you in our next video discussion. Bye bye, keep safe always.